working these legs and glutes, yo. Using the lava stone. That's all we got right now, so you gotta improvise, all right? Let's get it. Boom. 12 reps, maybe 15. Let's get it. Gotta arc the back up. We're doing glutes really quick. Focus with your heel in the ground. All right, boom. You're gonna need the glutes, y'all. That makes you run, ride your bike, jump. Man, I feel that all up in there. And back there too. I'm gonna change up a little bit. I ain't trying to be so extra with it. But it gets you nice, man. So you can be like, get a little quick. Alright? So do about 5, 6 of those and you'll be straight.